Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to be reviewing this really cool MagSafe compatible built-in kickstand case from Vicseed. I've reviewed tons of Vicseed iPhone accessories and phone accessories in the past. They make awesome products, and this is no exception. I'm going to throw that box over. This is, of course, an unboxing, a review, a demo, and this is the case itself. This is a really cool, crystal clear, beautiful clear case from Vicseed. It has that built-in MagSafe ring that is also, boom, it's a kickstand as well. So you get all the MagSafe compatibility and a kickstand all in a really nice case. And look at that. Nothing sticks out, nothing protrudes, it is completely flat back. Now this is a crystal clear case, so let's give it the crystal clear test. I'm going to hold that up. Look at my hand through that case. I mean, this case is super crystal clear. You're going to see that even better in a minute when I stick it on my phone and demo how well you can see my phone through the case. But you can see crystal clear, beautiful crystal clear, anti-yellowing properties built into this case. Now, what's cool is that it's this contrasting black TPU with the clear PC back. Why that's significant is because TPU tends to yellow a lot more than PC does. So when cases have clear TPU sides, a lot of times you'll notice the sides start to yellow while the PC doesn't, because PC is a lot more resistant to yellowing. So by having the contrasting color, they've kind of got rid of that issue. On the sides, you've got this nice black that obviously you don't have to worry about yellowing. That's TPU, but it's black. And then on the back, which is the crystal clear part, and the part that allows you to see the beauty of your phone, that's PC, and so it's not going to yellow like TPU would. So really excellent design. What's really awesome though, of course, is you've got full MagSafe compatibility and you've got that kickstand built in. So let's get this on my phone so that you can see it on my phone. There we go. Now look at that. I mean, that is as crystal clear as any case that I have put on this phone. I mean, you get, sorry for the reflection there, I've just, got lighting in here so that you can actually see what I'm doing. And so you're going to get some reflection, especially because this is such a clear, beautiful case. But you can see that purple, you can actually see that my phone is purple. Some cases that are quote unquote clear cases, you put them on the phone and you can kind of see the purple, but not really. But this is super crystal clear. It really is, almost, it's the best thing you're going to get without just going naked, as far as having a case on your phone to protect your phone, but still being able to see the color of your phone, the beauty of your iPhone shine through. And you get that with this case. But of course, you get a lot more than just a case. You get this really cool MagSafe ring that is a kickstand. So you just pull that down and boom, you can use it as a kickstand in vertical mode. You can use it as a kickstand in horizontal mode. Either way, it'll work, so that if you're watching videos, you can pull this out and watch them like that. I use it at work a lot. I tend to have it like that, and I always have my phone sitting like that so I can see my phone when I'm at work. And then when you don't need it, you just plug it up or close it up, and fully MagSafe compatible. This is going to work with a MagSafe charger on your bedside. It'll work with your MagSafe car mount. It'll work with any MagSafe accessories, and it's strong magnets in here, so it's going to hold. You're not going to have to worry about it falling off your MagSafe mount or anything. These are really strong magnets that are built in here, so you've got full MagSafe compatibility, everything you'd want in a MagSafe case. So that's awesome. Now you've also got great protection. Again, that nice TPU protection. Look at that raised bezel all the way around the cameras to protect your cameras. Around the front here, you've got that raised lip all the way around the front. So that's going to protect your phone. If you're laying it down flat, it's going to be protected, which is great. You've got covers on your buttons here and a nice tactile feel to that, as well as a nice cutout for your Do Not Disturb. Easy to put that in Do Not Disturb. On the bottom, you've got perfect cutouts for your speakers, nice wide cutout for your lightning port so your charger will fit in there. You've got slight little groove cut out here for your speaker that's on the top. If you can see that, it's hard to see because it's black on black, but really excellent. And I love that you've got these nice, again, this nice black TPU outer that will not yellow. You don't have to worry about yellowing. And then the beautiful PC back, hard PC back that will not yellow over time. And then you've got that beautiful ring, and I love it's a nice sort of aluminum matte finish ring, so it looks good. You know, just fully circles that Apple logo there, and just a really beautiful case. Nice grippy sides because they're the TPU. They're not too slick. Not going to have a problem sliding this in and out of your pocket, but also when you're holding your phone, you're not going to have to worry about it sliding out of your hands. It's got a nice grip to it, so you know, even with 2 fingers and shaking my hand, so you can see that works great. The MagSafe compatibility is great. It's strong magnets, everything you'd want in a MagSafe case, and then everything you would want in a kickstand case, but all built into one. And then again, no protrusion on the back here, completely flat flat back on there. You can see it doesn't stick out, the hinge doesn't stick out, so when you're holding it, there's nothing sticking out there. And really beautiful finish on this phone, allows you to see the beauty of your iPhone and have all the protection you would want, as well as having the additional functionality of fully MagSafe compatibility and the kickstand. So really excellent case. If you're looking for a great case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max, then this case from Vicseed is definitely one that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this case, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.